Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to study Python, programming in Python, as it is my CTV project from my college. So let's begin. First, before learning programming in Python, we should know what programming actually is. Generally, when we talk about programming, we talk about that how we communicate with our computer or machinery, which are performing our task on our screen. It act like a medium between us and the computer machine. So it is a kind of medium in which we deal with computers and their functions, different functions. Same is written in this handbook, which I will follow. What is programming? Just like we use Hindi, English to communicate with each other, we use programming languages like Python to communicate with computers. Same thing. The programming is the process giving instruction to a computer so it can transform tasks and solve problems and automate work. Okay, then like we when we keep programming language or assign a program to a computer, there is a motive that our task is performed like regular task, like the task which is done same manner, like, but with more frequency, so it can be easily done through help of programming. So that is what we are going to learn. Programming means language are the different types. Like in our languages are Hindi, English, and other. There are all kind of languages. Same in programming also there are different languages: Python, C, C++, and they all act as a syntax in which we write our program to let the computer understand it. So in this playlist or in this video we will study about how Python syntax, how to learn about how the Python works, and how we write a syntax or program in Python. Let's know what is Python. Python is one of the easiest and most beginner friendly programming languages. It syntax very close to simple English as we can easily read and write and understand. Okay, so Python is generally for many few years. I think many body said that Python is the easiest language and beginner language because most of the syntaxes are normal English language statements. So it is easily understandable and it is widely used in the term of web development, automation, artificial intelligence. But generally, most of the AIs today are coded in Python, and most of the machine language automated work are done by Python. So Python is extremely useful if you understand it. The first step towards learning Python is learning the importance of Python. Python is the most important language at the present time. So you have to learn the Python syntaxes. So to automate the tasks like task and learning about AI and ML, you need to understand Python. Let us know what the features Python provides that makes it easy to learn. Easy to learn and beginner friendly syntax. Okay, it is syntax is beginner friendly. That's why it is easy. Free and open source programming language. Okay, it is free and open source for all. Works on Windows, Linux, Mac system. It works on every system. So widely used in modern technology. Same. Most important feature is that it is widely used in modern technology and AI, and it is a beginner friendly language. So most of the guys who started programming start with Python only. I myself started in Python because it was easy to understand the syntaxes. Let us know how install. It is simple. You can install from python.org. It is not a big deal. Let us go to our chapter 1, modules, comments, and pick. Okay, let us write our first program to create the file called hello.py. Okay, we will create hello. You have to use like VS Code. It is much easy to understand there. So we will write our first program in Python or a programming language, like because we are learning Python as a programming language. So there are different languages and there are different syntaxes, but in Python there is a different approach of printing something. Like we use print, a built-in function inside Python, and we'll write what we are writing inside it. Like hello what. Okay, and then we will run it. Let's see, it is writing hello world, so it is working. So in this way we can write hello world or anything between this inside the bracket, and we can print it on our terminal. So let's go next. Yes, one thing is important, that if you are creating a you have to use .py, because in .py then only VS Code understand that you are doing Python language programming. Okay, then it will make like this symbol. You have to download extensions from here, like Python extension. Yes, I have downloaded so many Python extensions, so it is working. You also have downloaded in VS Code and connect to it. Let us know about modules. A module is a file containing code written by somebody else which can be imported and used. That is why Python is easy, because most of the tasks which are already been done by somebody can be used by importing that in the form of modules. So that's why most of the guys, like in other languages, you have to do again and again. But in the Python, it is easy because you can directly import that module and do your code. So it is easy. Like pip is a package manager for Python. You can pip install external modules. Okay, the modules can be installed in our interface of VS Code or in like extension. So using pip in terminal only, you can use pip install flask, like I will do. Pip install flask. Okay, you have installed Python package into global environment, like it's already written in global environment. We have here the requirement satisfy command and the flask is downloaded. So in this way you can download the different packages which in further classes or when you do further programming in Python, you need the important, you will understand the importance of how to install the pip install any flask or any type of modules in your system. Types of modules. Okay, we will learn about what types of modules have. There are two types of modules. One is built-in modules which is installed in Python. Okay, Python has two types of modules, like external and internal. Internal already downloaded. When you download the extension of Python, it is already come down, like print. Print is a kind of structure which is built in. But like external modules, like if we have downloaded Flask or another, we can pip install that. Okay. Example built-in are OS and random. Okay, OS and random. Some example of okay module. It is a function. Print is function, but it is saying what module. So OS and random are the modules which are already installed, and external are TensorFlow and Flask. There are many modules which are built in. Use Python directly from the terminal. Okay, we can use Python as a calculator by typing in the terminal the open circle which stands to read print loop. Okay, let's see if okay, we have generated an environment in which we can use terminal to different tasks. Like if I say 2 plus 3 is writing 5. If I will take this number and multiply with this number, it is working. Usually we can use it as a calculator or something. Like it's very easy using the terminal. We'll write Python and it will work like it is same. It is same. Python calculator by typing Python in the terminal. The opens RAPL, which stands for read, evaluate, print loop. It is opening by you write. If you write Python terminal, it's open a RAPL which can be used as a calculator. Let's go to next topic, comments. Comments are used writing something which programmer does not want to execute. They can be explained code author. Okay, when we're writing big Python codes, we need to understand that not everybody is going to understand. Like in further problem, it may have bug, but if you don't know what code you have written and what problem you solved, then if your code it will be long, then it is very difficult for you to fix the bugs. So you have to write a comment. If you build a practice of writing comments in your code, it will make it very easy for your team to cooperate with you, and you yourself when you revisit your codes which you have written a few months ago or a few years ago. So when we write comment, it not execute in the terminal, but it act as a like bookmark to your what problem you solved and what difficulty you solved. You can also write it during like you are learning Python. If you write like if you can take definition that what this is and what that is, it will help you to understand. It will act as a note to you. So writing comments is very important, and comments can be written in different types like single line comment. Single line comment, in one line you can write the comment, or multiple line comment can be written. In single line we use hashtag. In a multiple line you can use triple, like this. In multiple line and in single line hashtag this. I will try it one. This is our first program. Okay, I have used a hashtag before this and it is single line, so it will not execute. Let's see. Okay, only hello world is there because this is comment, so it will not execute here, and it will act as a note when we do our programming further. Let's take an example of multiple line comments. I will say, okay, so and here teach in Python. It is my first. So it is a multi-line. Let's see what happens. Like it is commented, so it will not come in our terminal. It is a multi-line comment. It is a multi-line, and it is a single line comment. Let's see, some questions are there. Write the program to print Twinkle Twinkle poem in Python. Okay, like in we write print statement, and inside that we can write poem, and it will be there. Use rapid print table of 5 using it. Okay, like this Python like this 5 into 5 into 2, then like that you can write the table like this. We can write a table of 5. Install. Next up we have installed Flask. Write a Python program to print the content of directory using the OS menu. In further classes you will read this. Label the program with written in problem 4 with comments. Okay, same thing we will understand in later classes. Let's move to chapter 2. We will be studying chapter 2 in the next video. So thank you everyone for listening, and this is my first class, so I will be improving in further classes. Thank you.